So this, where's the problem exactly?
You see all this?
Oh, that.
Price.
So is this burned?
Oh, yeah.
So is this the burnt that Ramsey was smelling in his office?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So is this machine this is not working then at all?
Not working anymore.
Okay.
No, has to be replaced. Yeah,
It's turned off?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay.
We turn off the gas.
The
and
gas is
power.
off?
Yeah.
It smells, even it smells from here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, but for safety, we turn it off.
Okay,
We
perfect.
turn off the power too.
Okay, great.
So,
Wonderful.
see, this is one of the main problems when they didn't do the right maintenance and service to the systems.
Okay.
So every single unit, the other one we check right now, they have the same kind of problem. But you see all this?
All those spider webs?
Spider web.
Yeah.
Sometimes any kind of little animal or spider or whatever.
Oh.
Sometimes they make kind of this kind of problem.
I see. Okay.
It sounds like kind of it's not believable, but it's real.
Mm-hmm.
It's real.
Okay. So this is one problem. Where's the other one that's the problem? The one that you guys are
fixed that one.
you guys are fixing that one?
Yeah.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, that one. It's running right now. Let me show you.
Okay.
You see all this, all dirty, the ass, everything.
Okay.
Has to be clean when they do service and maintenance.
Oh, I see.
Because if not, you're gonna get kind of problem like that one.
Okay.
If that one got a problem, you see all this kind of problem.
Yes.
Every single unit has the same kind of situation.
So that one though you turned it off and it's not working. What about this one? You replaced fuses?
Yeah, just a fuse for this one.
The fuse for this one here.
For this one. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So now it's working. It looks
Now
like.
it's working.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Any other one?
Yeah, we'll check if you want. He's mentioned us about the kind of problem we're.
This one needs clean filters. It's pretty old.
Oh, so this one you're cleaning the filters?
Yeah, well.
Okay.
gotta replace
Or
it.
replacing, sorry, not clean. Yeah, sorry. But how does it look inside? Is this one okay?
Oh, this one looks good.
Okay, good.
Yeah, I think on this one it shows that the last time they changed the filter was 4/22/2000.
Okay.
A year ago.
So it's been a while.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we gotta get filters for this.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this one here, it's working.
It is? Okay.
No, I'm asking you.
Yes.
That's the
Yeah,
one?
Oh,
Yeah, it's working here, but it's working downstairs too?
Yes. If you can check the one.